rehearsals, each moment alongside Ipen led to the dedication and to pursue.
Gotta put in the rail.
In that pursuit, I won the Miss Supranational Canada title and represented Canada internationally at one of the top 5 biggest pageants in the world. The beauty of University helped me get my foot in the door and convinced me I was working on giving it a shot. I'm forever grateful to the people who have been instrumental in my journey. Thank you to my mentors, artists, and sponsors for your kindness and belief in me. Thank you to my friends who cheer me on time and time again, but also keep me grounded. Thank you to my family in Canada and in the Philippines who support me fiercely and fearlessly, for the unwavering support throughout my journey. Thank you to the dolls for your dedication and creative choreography. Thank you to Jen for your guidance and compassion. And thank you to Tito and Laura for believing in me